You're gonna make a craft. Guess what? It's very dangerous. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guess what? Is that dangerous? It's cute also. So, you know why it's dangerous and cute? Because snake. Today we are going to make snake. But it's an origami. So 1 and 4 strips of paper. And one more. 1, 4. Another strip of paper. 4 again. Face of a stick. And a tongue. Then we need a pen and glue. Okay, let's start. So first thing we need one strip of paper. Apply some glue. Yeah, this is enough. Now wishing glue. Next, yellow. Then flip it over. This yellow one will go here. This green one will go up. The yellow part will go here. Okay. Now yellow is almost finished. And green is almost finished. Green. Then stick it in green. And yellow. Stick it into yellow. Next, take your physical. Muka, sama na so patera. It's time for Advika. This is so hard. Say my name in the Okay. Now again, Fevicol. And we are almost there. Done. They are done. This breaks this green part. Put your glue in the green part. You have a face? Take the face and cut the face. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Face. Stick it. Oh! Where's my tongue? Stick your tongue as well. Because the snake needs a tongue as well.
A snake needs a tongue.
You know what my school song is? I'll sing it for you. It all just feels like a dream to me. If I next school so true. And I know it's hard to believe that I think of a school like you. The one thing that I love from you is that I can make my dreams come true. Man, I'm come to fight to fight. Woo! Look at the stakes ready.
Snake is coming.
Don't worry, it's cute, right? Very cute. Let me see if this jump. And the snake also wants to say something. So snake, tell your message. Make sure you like and share and subscribe. Bye bye. And I'm gonna stand my mom and dad and everyone with the snake. Okay.